In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Venmo to Shopify, a process that can streamline your payment options and enhance your customers' shopping experience. Seamless payment integration is crucial for online stores, as it not only fosters trust but also drives sales by offering varied and convenient payment methods. So, let's dive right in and unpack how you can do this with ease. First off, the initial thing you'll want to do is access your Shopify admin dashboard. Now, if you're not familiar with this space, don't worry, it's pretty intuitive. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and click on Settings. In this area, you'll get an overview of all the customizable elements for your store. Scroll through, and you'll find a subsection labeled Payments. This is where the magic begins. Under Payments, you should notice a number of payment providers and methods available for integration. You're going to select Add Payment Method. It's important to keep in mind that Shopify supports various payment services, ensuring that you, as a merchant, have flexibility in offering customers their preferred payment options. Here, you'll scroll until you find PayPal, a gateway that indeed supports Venmo as well. Click on PayPal, and you'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account. If you haven't set one up yet, you'll need to create one and follow the on-screen instructions. PayPal usually guides you through a streamlined process, making it fairly straightforward. Once logged in, you'll connect your account by authorizing Shopify to integrate with PayPal. Remember, this step is essential for Venmo integration as PayPal's infrastructure allows Venmo payments, giving your store a broader payment horizon. After linking PayPal with Shopify, it's beneficial to test the payment process. You might opt to set a low-price product on your storefront for this purpose. Doing so equips you with a better understanding of the customer experience. From the customer's perspective, Venmo should now appear as an option at checkout, assuming it's available for their purchase type. In some instances, ensuring that Venmo activates requires checking your PayPal settings as well. Navigate to your PayPal account, head over to Settings, and then find Profile and Settings. Under My Selling Tools, you'll locate options related to how you get paid. Make sure Venmo is toggled on, and your shop visitors will see it appear alongside PayPal at checkout. Finally, let's consider a few troubleshooting tips. If you encounter any issues, double-check that your region and customer settings in Shopify align with PayPal and Venmo's availability in your country. Additionally, confirming that your Shopify and PayPal accounts are properly linked is always a helpful step. And there you have it. Connecting Venmo to Shopify can really enhance your store's functionality and customer appeal. Thanks for joining, and I hope this guide helps you provide even more payment flexibility in your online store. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.